Carrot pumpkin stout. Carrot pumpkin stout. Let's see what we have in this mixture. So the ingredient will be 8 carrots, half tablespoon flaxseed, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seed, 2 tablespoon raw peanut, 1 tablespoon honey, half tablespoon vanilla essence, 1 dragon stout, 1 packla soy, and 6 ounce purified water. Alright, let's see the benefits of some of these ingredients that will be in our stout today. First, let's talk about carrots. Okay, so for carrots, it provides potassium, vitamin A, C, and K. It improves our eye health, boosts your immune system. Pumpkin seed improve heart health, improve blood sugar level, fertility, and better sleep. The raw peanut, we have a lot of potassium, phosphorus, magnesium. It has good fat, proteins, and fiber, also vitamin B. Flaxseed, omega-3 fatty acid, and it helps to maintain good health, your weight. It lowers the risk of some types of cancer, and it also reduces cholesterol and blood pressure. Take a look at the risk of some cancer. It lower the risk. All right, and we have also in our mixture we have honey. Honey, it helps prevent memory disorders. Never forget that. We can use honey just like that. It's much better than sugar. All right, let's get into what we're going to be doing today. So first of all, we get our carrots. We're going to prepare our carrots. All right. These are carrots that I bought from the market. We have the flaxseed, pumpkin seed, and the raw peanut. All right. Here is also my lasoy. For those of us, we can use milk, but for those of us who are lactose, we use lasoy. Honey. Remember the purpose of honey. All right, so let's get into it. First, we want to wash our carrot. We need to wash our carrot. Remember, carrot is coming from under the earth, so we need to wash it and wash it well. All right. So here I am washing my carrots. All right, remember to wash them well. Then we would use our peeler, I may call it that, to remove the outer skin of the carrot. We're also going to remove both ends of the carrot. We can use either our peeler or we can use a knife to scrape away the outer layer. All right. So after we prepare the carrot, we're going to dice it up so that it will be easier for our blender, so we can extract the juice. All right. So here we are extracting the juice from the carrot. I have added 5 ounces of water, and I'm blending away. Let's blend it for about 3 or so minutes. After we do that, we blend again to ensure that we get the best or the most out of it. Now what I'm going to do next is I am going to strain my blended juice. I want to separate the carrot trash, so to speak, from the juice. We want the juice, the liquid. That's what we need. So I'm gonna strain it through a sieve or a strainer. So I'm trying to separate the liquid from the trash, so to speak. Alright, so I let it sit there and drain naturally by itself before I disturb it. Then I'm going to use a fork to stir the trash so that the liquid can pass through the strainer much easier. You can also squeeze this, but I rather not do that. Alright, so this is what I'm doing. Alright, in the separation process, here I am pressing to get as much liquid from the blended content. Then what I'm going to do with this, I am going to do another blending. So I'm going to add some more water to this in my blender so that I can get the maximum out of this carrot. Alright, so I'm going to put it back in my blender. Here we go. Going back into the blender. And we're going to add some more water to it. Alright, we're going to add some more water to it. So here I'm about to add the additional amount of water. And this is purified water. It's better to use purified water where the pH balance is better for us. Alright, so we're going to give it a second blend. So we're going to whip it around. And let it blend. Blend for another minute or two before we try to separate once again the liquid from what we call the trash. Right. Alright, I'm going to do my separation once again. Remember, I'm trying to get maximum out of these carrots. Let it sit, drain naturally. Then we use our fork to stir so that the liquid can drain properly. During the process, we can also squeeze so that the liquid will be extracted easier. Alright, so here I am using my fork to mush it and try to squeeze it. For those of you, if you have cheesecloth, you could put this in a piece of cheesecloth and squeeze. In that sense, you'll be getting more of the juice, more of the liquid coming out of the mixture. All right. I think I'm finished with that. Now I'm going to let this sit for a little while I do my dry ingredients. So here I am using half tablespoon flaxseed. I'm going to put this in a small grinder. This is my pumpkin seed. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon. Right, that's 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seed. Add that. Here's my peanut now. My peanut, and this is raw peanut. This is not baked, this is raw. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoonful of peanuts. We don't want to take away the taste of our stout, so we do not want to add too much peanut. 2 spoons is enough. Alright, so I'm going to now blend my peanut, blend everything together, get them into a powdery state. Alright, so it's shake so that it can be blended easier. Let's do it again. Alright, that should be enough. For those of you who like to taste grains in your mouth when you're drinking, you don't have to blend this twice. Alright, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my dry product back into this blender here with the juice. Maybe I should have placed the dry product first before putting in the juice, but nevertheless it does the same work. Alright, so this is my dry product. Now I'm going to add it to my blended carrot juice. Then I'm going to just reblend so that the dry product will be mixed with the liquid, the carrot juice. Alright. Now just to let you know that this stout that we are mixing, it is good for male. I am adding 2 tablespoons of honey. This is for sweetener. We're not going to be using any sugar in this. Sugar is never a good commodity for us. Honey is much better. Alright, so here we go, another spoon. We're going to blend this. It is better to blend honey with warm water. It's better to use warm water, not boiling water, warm water. It is easier for it to dissolve. Alright, so remember, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get more of my videos. Alright, so I'm going to be adding my warm water now, and we have to be careful, we do not want to burn. With just about half cup of warm water is good enough. Alright, we're going to blend. Now, because we do not want to add too much warm water in it, we're going to top up our grinder with a little bit more of the liquid from the carrot juice. A little bit more of the carrot juice we're going to add to it. All right, so here carrot juice has been added. All right, let's give that a blend. Now I'm going to add my lasoy. For those of you, you may want to add milk, you may want to add lasco, you may want to add any milk product. All right, but I'm using lasoy. And if you take a look at some of the benefits of lasoy, right, there are some of the benefits. All right, so we're going to give it a whip again to bring everything to one, both liquid and dry product. So we're blending. We do this for about a minute or two. We want it to be properly mixed. So we are combining all the components and ingredients and so. Alright, so after 2 minutes or so, we can stop. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla to our mixture. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. We're going to spice it up now. So 1 tablespoon of vanilla, I'm going to do an estimate. You're right, that's about a tablespoon. And we're going to blend again, mix it together. That's for about 30 or so seconds. And our famous dragon, for those of us who want some alcohol in our beverage, we could add dragon. And this also brings up the flavor. All right, so we're not going to be blending the dragon, we're just going to add it. We don't want to blend it out. All right, so I'm going to pour from my blender jar into my storage container. And if you notice, there are some sediments at the bottom here because my dry product, the peanuts and the were not blended fully. So I'm going to just use some of the dragon to get it out from the blender into the storage container. Then I'm just going to add the remainder of the dragon. And there we go. Here we have carrot pumpkin stout. We can serve this with ice, or we can simply leave it in the refrigerator to cool. Alright guys, remember, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that the next time my video is out, you will be notified, or you'll be the first to know. Alright.